Hello, this is Tom, and this is his car. Can we say this is the car of Tom? No, this is not natural to speak like this. You have to say this is Tom's car with apostrophe S here. This apostrophe S shows that Tom has the car. Also, we don't say the bike of the boy is green. This bike belongs to this boy, right? So we would say the boy's bike is green. That's more natural. We add apostrophe S to the boy to show that he has the bike. But there's a question here. What if he's not only one boy? There are boys, plural. Should we add apostrophe S to boys is? No, we just add apostrophe. No S at the end. So the rule is we add apostrophe S to the noun, but if it ends in S, we just add an apostrophe, no S, right? Now let's practice. In this quiz, we need to use an apostrophe in each phrase. The pool of my friend. We just add apostrophe S to my friend, so my friend's pool. The tail of the cat. Also apostrophe S to the cat, so the cat's tail. The toys of the children, the children's toys. Clear? Look here. The phone of Cress. Here Cress ends in S. There's S at the end. So you can just add an apostrophe here. Cress phone. With only an apostrophe without S at the end. The room of the girls, the same rule. The girls end in S. So we just add an apostrophe, the girls' room. So in this quiz, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marks. I got 5 out of 5. What about you? What's your mark here? I hope blank a good friend. Have, to have, having. What do we use after hope? Listen guys, the verbs hope, wish, want, agree, promise. These verbs are followed by to plus the verb. So to have is the correct answer. I hope to have a good friend. I wish to have a good friend. I want to have a good friend. I agree to do something. I promise to do something. All these verbs take to. We don't have blank money, any, some. We only use any in the question or the negative sentence that has not in it. And we use some in the positive sentence. No question mark, no not. If you look here, don't. This and apostrophe T means not. So this sentence is negative. So we use any here. We don't have any money. This is blank car. Tom's and Jenny's, apostrophe S here and here, or Tom and Jenny's, only one apostrophe S at the second name, or Tom's and Jenny, only one apostrophe S at the first name. Well, to show that two names have something, like here you want to show that Tom and Jenny have a car, you can just put apostrophe S at the second name. Tom and Jenny's car, only one apostrophe S at Jenny's. Let me know in the comments if you've learned something new today. I enjoy blank out. I enjoy eat out, enjoy to eat out, enjoy eating out. The key here is the verb enjoy. Verbs like, love, enjoy, hate, dislike are followed by the verb plus ing. So the answer here is eating. I enjoy eating out. Are you going to blank party? Dan's and Susie's party, apostrophe S here and apostrophe S here. Or Dan and Susie's party, only one apostrophe S at the second name. Dan's and Susie party, only one apostrophe S at the first name, Dan. Well, we say Dan's party, right? This is only one name, so we put apostrophe S to it. If we add another name, like Dan and Susie, here we add apostrophe S to the second name. Dan and Susie's, only one apostrophe S at the second name. Here we have two apostrophe S's, and here is only one at the second name, and here is only one at the first name. So this is the correct answer. Are you going to Dan and Susie's party? It blank cooled yesterday. Wearing, wasn't, were. So we have was and were. Was comes with I, he, she, it. Were comes with they, we, you. The sentence starts with it, and it takes was, and this is was in the negative form, wasn't. So this is the answer. Give yourself a mark on each one and write your mark in the comments. I'm busy blank the moment. In, at, on. The moment takes at the moment. And this is an expression that means now. I'm busy at the moment means I'm busy now. This is blank, the car of John or John's car. Let me show you something. This is the car and it belongs to John. John is a person, right? So we use John's car with apostrophe S here. But if the car belongs to a thing, not a person, like for example, a house, we say the car of the house. So again, it's about the owner. If the owner is a person, write the name with apostrophe S like this. If the owner is a thing, use this structure, the car of the house. So John's with apostrophe S here is the correct answer. This is John's car. How many cars do we have? How can I answer this question? Can I say no, or none, or any? Listen guys, no here in this question should be followed by a noun. And also any should be followed by a noun. Here I should say I have no cars. No here is followed by a noun, cars. And here you can say I don't have any cars. Any and a noun here. You can't say I have no or I don't have any. You have to say no cars or any cars. But none is okay here. It comes alone without a noun. You can simply say none or I have none. You don't need a noun after it. Does it make sense? Well, give yourself a mark on each one. Write your mark in the comments. Thank you for watching.